What's up guys, this is Dennis from Botster, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to extract job posting information from LinkedIn and how to analyze those job postings with not one but two of our bots. The first one is called the LinkedIn Company Job Scraper. It will help you extract the jobs from a particular company's LinkedIn profile, and the second bot is called LinkedIn Job Scraper, which will help you analyze these extracted job posts one by one. Now in this video we'll be going over jobs that were posted by Tesla. We'll extract a bunch of them and then we will retrieve information of some of them, and you will get an idea of how this process works and how it can help you with your recruitment or competitor analysis or statistics and data mining, whatever you're using these tools for. So before I continue, don't forget to hit the like button to support our channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're into data automation and extraction. And of course, hit the bell button to receive timely notifications of when we release new tutorials. Okay, now let's get back to our bots. And the first bot, which I'll be talking about here, is LinkedIn Company Job Scraper. As I mentioned, this bad boy will extract a list of jobs posted on a company's LinkedIn profile page. So to use the bot, the first thing that you will need to do is of course sign up on Botster. Find this bot using this search bar in the header of the website, or of course you can navigate to the tools for LinkedIn category page and find the bot there. Each of our bots has a thorough documentation written, so if you have any questions, make sure to go through the description because most of your questions are probably already covered. I'm not going to go through any of this information in this video, so I'm just going to click the Start This Bot button and show you the bot in action. So first, let's name our job that the bot will create for you. Let's call it Tesla Job Scrape. We'll skip the project folder selection, this is optional. And next you need to select how many job posts you would like to scrape. So I believe that 10 will be enough for this video, so I'm not going to change anything. And then the only data you would need to provide is a list of links to companies' LinkedIn profiles. So this bot currently allows you to scrape up to 500 company pages at once, but I will be scraping data from a single company. So for that, we need to go to LinkedIn, copy the link to the company's LinkedIn profile page. So let's copy this URL and paste it right into here. As I mentioned, if you need to extract data from multiple companies, you're free to do that. Up to 500 companies this bot currently accepts. Next, you can tell the bot to run this job periodically. For example, every Monday, 8 o'clock, you will get a list of new jobs posted on this company's LinkedIn profile page. That way you can stay up to date with whatever your competitors are posting and stay ahead of the curve, so to speak. I'm going to deselect this because for this demo, I just need this job to be completed once. Finally, you can select your notification types. So you can pick whether you would like to receive an email notification with the attached files, or you can ask the bot to send data to Slack, to Telegram. If you know what JSON is, you can ask the bot to send you a JSON post request. And of course, if you're into complex automation sequences, you can use Zapier and build something interesting. Now, I'm not going to select any of this. I'm going to deselect everything and just click the Start This Bot button and wait for my data to start rolling in. Now, as you can see, the job was created and is now active. All we need to do now is wait for the bot to complete the job and of course, click the like button to support this channel. Okay, it took the bot only a few seconds to complete this job. You can now click the View Data button and have a look at your data. As promised, 10 job posts have been harvested and you can find them in this table. If this is the data that you've been looking for, you can download it as a CSV, Excel, or a JSON file. You can click here to open it in your Google Sheets. And if you need to make this very table, this very page public, you can click here and change the visibility of the page copy this link and send it to whoever you need. But we're going to move on to the part 2 of our quest, in which we will now be scraping more information from these job postings. Now let's say that for some reason we only need these 4 job postings. Let's select and copy them. And now let's go to our second bot, which is called LinkedIn Job Scraper. Now it's a really straightforward bot. You basically give it a link to a job post and it retrieves additional data such as the job title, the company name, the job description, the job functions, and so on and so forth. Of course, there's a description provided on this bot's page, so make sure to go through this information when you have the time. I'm going to click the Start Bot button, provide a name for this job, so Tesla for Jobs Scrape, and simply paste the 4 links that I copied previously. The additional fields are the same. You can select whether you would like to run this bot periodically, and you can select which types of notifications you would like to get. Again, not going to select any of that, going to click the green Start This Bot button. As you can see, this job was created and is now running. And let's just wait for the bot to complete the job before we click the View Data button. Okay, I fast forwarded the video slightly and you can see that the job is now marked as completed. Let's go ahead, click the View Data button. By the way, you can go ahead and download the results right away by clicking on this icon here and selecting which file format you need. For now, let's just click the View Data button and see what kind of data the bot extracted. So we gave the bot 4 links to 4 job postings, and the bot extracted a bunch of information, which is now downloadable as an Excel, CSV, or a JSON file. You can hit these icons here on the very right side of the window, download the data, which includes job description, job function, seniority level, total applicants, and a bunch of other useful information. Well, this is practically it. We've reached the end of this tutorial. If you found it to be useful, click the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in our next video.